Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix PC no display but CPU fan running or power to keyboard. If your PC fans are running but there's no display, the issue could stem from a loose connection, a faulty graphics card, RAM. My CPU fan is running and the keyboard num lock and caps lock light shows but not the display showing. That means that the problem is from the RAM, otherwise the problem is also appearing from the graphics card. Reinstall your RAM. A poor connection between RAM and the motherboard can cause the display to sleep. Since all the app data is stored in RAM, any problem can shut down the whole system. By reinstalling the RAM, you can reset it to its original state. Step 1. Press and hold the power button to turn off your PC. Step 2. Detach the power cable from PC. After that, open the PC casing. Step 3. Take the RAM out from the memory slot of the main motherboard. Step 4. Check its condition. If it is normal, place it in the same slot. Step 5. Restart your system to check if the issue has been resolved. If the problem still persists, then I think there is some other section fault or maybe there is a graphics card problem. Follow me to fix the problem. If you have a reliable graphics card installed on your PC, you may want to try using the onboard graphics instead. The onboard graphics are the graphics that are built into your motherboard or processor. Sometimes, your dedicated graphics card may be faulty or incompatible with your monitor, causing display issues. To fix this, you may need to switch to the onboard graphics to see if that works. To switch to the onboard graphics, follow these steps. Turn off your PC and monitor. Open your PC case and locate your graphics card. It is usually a long, rectangular card inserted into a slot on your motherboard. It may also have a fan or a heatsink attached to it. Remove your graphics card from your motherboard. You may need to unscrew it or unlock it from the slot. Be careful not to damage any other components while doing this. Locate the video port on your motherboard. It may be an HDMI, VGA, or DVI port. It is usually located near the USB ports or the audio ports on your motherboard. Connect your monitor to the video port on your motherboard with a compatible video cable. Turn on your PC and monitor it to see if you get any display. Even then, turn off the computer and then clean the contact area of the graphics card thoroughly with a rubber as I am cleaning it. Once it is clean, then put the graphics card back in the same way you removed it, then turn on the computer and see if the display is showing or hopefully the display will show. I hope this video helped you. Please share it with your friends also. If you have any doubts related to this, let us know in the comment box below. If you like the video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel.